This ancient OS is a very good custom ROM for playing games, so I'm gonna try out Call of Duty in this ROM with the highest graphic possible. Enjoy the gameplay.
Enemy contact. Target down. I'm hurt. Need contact with enemy. We've taken the lead. Reloading. Target down. Get down. Sniper. Sniper eliminated. Reloading. Cover me. I'm hurt. Target's inside. Target down. Standing by. UAV recon is standing by. UAV online. Reloading. Tango down. Contact with enemy. Predator missile on standby. Enemy contact. Friendly Predator missile inbound. Target's inside. Hunter killer drone deployed. Get down. Sniper. UAV recon ready for deployment. Hunter killer drone ready for deployment. UAV online. Need backup. Target's inside. Target sniper. I'm hurt. Need backup. Enemy contact. Hunter killer drone deployed. Contact with enemy. Target's inside. Predator missile awaiting orders. Contact with enemy. Predator missile inbound. Contact with enemy. Enemy down. Get down. UAV recon standing by. Repeat. UAV recon is standing by. Enemy down. UAV online. Sniper eliminated. Enemy contact. Hunter killer drone on standby. Target's inside. Predator missile on standby. Enemy contact. Changing mag. Friendly Predator missile inbound. Tango down. Need backup. Sniper! I'm hurt. Need backup. Target down. UAV online. Target's inside. Hunter killer drone deployed. Contact with enemy. Objective almost complete. Keep it up. Headshot. Sniper down. Target down.
Although after playing it did get a little bit warm, but there's one thing I can say for sure. This ancient OS allows you to play the game Call of Duty or any other game in super high resolution with zero lag. That is the best thing, because at times you really don't need 70 or 90 FPS. At times you need stable FPS. Like it should not drop below 60. And in my case, in this ROM, I felt zero lag. The battery is 10% still, like 3% drop only, and the gameplay was very smooth. That's it. Make sure you subscribe for more custom ROM videos and best custom ROMs for gaming. Thanks for watching. Peace out.